Hello, welcome back to my channel, and just like I told you, I'm always dedicated to update you on what is happening, and especially when it comes to development. And last time I showed you the progress of Western Bypass from Karura area all the way to Gigi, and now I'm going to show you the progress of Western Bypass from Rwaka area all the way to Karura area. So this is one of coolest, let's say, a town you can come and vacate. It's called Ruaka. Very peaceful, and you can see they have very good apartments that you can rent. But let us continue, and I'll show you the progress. So there's a construction of a bridge over here, and that is why you see this concrete, and then you can see it's a very strong concrete, and the machines are here. Usually they put more effort on bridge area, and try to see if we can get some shot of what is happening around that area. Pave a way to a lot of possibilities, and we have seen it in Thika Road, where the expansion of the Thika Road created a lot of opportunities beyond. So this section is almost the same as it was when I was here, the last time I was here. So nothing much has changed on this part. Hello, this is Africa. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to share with you the development of the bypass that is off Ruaka. That's starting from Ruaka. First, is going to start off is the construction started from Ruaka, which is about 16 kilometers away from central. So hello, this is Africa. Welcome back to my channel. Nairobi, that is to divert back to Nairobi. So this is in the city, this is in the town of Ruaka, and I'll be doing a video covering this beautiful town, so you can check it on my YouTube. But let us continue to check the progress of the construction of the expansion of this road. The expansion of highway like this is going to pave a way to a lot of possibilities, and we have seen it in Thika Road, where the expansion of the Thika Road created a lot of opportunities. So this is what I'm going to show you. I do hope that you have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And this is Rwaka area. So thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.